Hello everybody! Today we will make something simple but beautiful at the same time. We will make a crescent moon decoration, so I will first use something round in order to create a circle out of a few paper strips. I used 8 strips in total for a circle with a diameter of 9 centimeters. I added glue along the way, not only to connect the next strips to the previous ones, but also on about the whole length of every strip, because 1. I wanted to make the circle stronger, and 2. I did not want the layers to move independently and not stick to each other. After the circle was done, I just cut it in 2 almost equal parts. Then I started making the other shapes I will use today. The first one is a small circle coil made on my quilling needle from half a strip. Once it was glued, I pressed it and flattened it a little, converting it into an oval shape. The second shape is a tiny swirl. I made the 2 shapes from 2 colors only, yellow and green, because I wanted to keep my whole project bichromatic. Now comes the part where we let our imagination run free and assemble all the parts however we like best and we think it works better. So feel free and make your own version of design here if you don't want to use mine. Anyway, perhaps if I would make a second one, it wouldn't end up being identical to my first. What I want to mention is that even if my oval shapes are the same in size, because I had the same measuring unit, the small swirls are different one to another, so don't struggle to make them even, because everything looks even better when they are different in size. I added on top 3 oval shapes in order to attach a ribbon or a chain to the whole arrangement. And that's it. Hope you like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. As a final touch, I added on the yellow parts a subtle layer of shiny lacquer. My idea came afterwards, so I tried my best not to touch the green parts also. It's a bit difficult to see on camera, but it does look very good in real life. This is one of the projects where you can use any shapes left over from other projects, if you have any, and you don't know what to do with them. As I do many quilling things, I always have many shapes which I don't use, just because it's sometimes difficult to know at the start of a project how many pieces of a certain shape you will need. But if you combine them with other shapes you make on the spot and work on your arrangement, you'll surely get something nice. You can also use multiple colors or combinations of a few colors. Just make sure you check the color wheel and choose colors that match one another, or you can just Google for great color combinations and you will have a countless number of results you can choose from. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.